Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create a game pass in Roblox. So let's get started. Want to create a game pass for your Roblox game or a donation pass for Please Donate? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to make one and put it on sale. First, open the Roblox website and click Create at the top. Next, select Creations from the left side and open the experience where you want to add the game pass. Now scroll down to Monetization and select Passes. Click Create a Pass, then upload an image if you want, enter a name, and optionally add a description. Once everything is ready, click Create Pass. To start earning Robux from it, open the pass you just created, click Sales, enable Item for Sale, enter your desired price, and then click Save Changes. That's it! Your Roblox Game Pass is now created and available for players to purchase. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more Roblox tips, game development guides, and Robux tutorials. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.